Hey, we would like to send you a free gift. If you click on the link in our description and sign up for our mailing list, we'd be happy to send you one. Now here's the video. Hello, I'm Derrick with Adobe Rock here in Erta, Utah. Have you ever noticed how good your landscape looks after it rains? We've noticed and wondered if there's a way to make that look a little more permanent. So today we're going to apply a natural stone sealer from Alliance to some of our landscape rock. The product is made for flagstone, but we think it'll give us the look we want. You can do this project on your own, but it's always nice to have help, and Wyatt and Travis have agreed to help me today. We've laid out some different colors and sizes of our landscape rock on a tarp, but if you were doing this project at home, you could spray the stone sealer directly onto your landscape. The first step is to make sure it's clean and dry. So we've sprayed it off with a hose, and the final step we'll take is to spray it with a leaf blower to make sure all the dust is removed. The next step is to spray the sealer directly onto the rock. I've chosen to use a weed sprayer, but you can use any kind of spray gun you have at home. Alliance recommends multiple coats spread out not more than 30 minutes apart. We did 3 coats on this rock, but we probably could have just done 2. After the final coat, you need to wait 24 hours for it to dry. As you can see from the before and after pictures, the difference is dramatic. The rocks now look wet, as if it had just rained. Obviously, over time, the rocks may move a little bit, or the neighbor kids may decide to borrow them for their collection, and you'll need to reapply as needed. Thank you for watching and learning with us today. Check out our channel for other videos and let us know how we can help rock your world.